Pembalap Yamaha berhasil menguasai Free Practice 1 MotoGP Jepang 2019 guys. Mereka adalah Maverick Vinales, Fabio Quartararo, dan Franco Morbidelli. Maverick Vinales berhasil menjadi yang tercepat dalam Free Practice 1 MotoGP Jepang 2019. Disusul Fabio Quartararo di posisi kedua guys, dan Franco Morbidelli di posisi ketiga. Berikut hasil selengkapnya mengenai Free Practice 1 MotoGP Jepang 2019.
Ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. And we moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one